Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So this video we will be looking at the top 7 bookmakers that you should be using for auto betting on horse racing. I'm making this video because a few people have been asking recently which are the best bookmakers for the auto betting software. So of course I want to give you these 7 bookies, and at the end of the video I'm actually going to give you one bookmaker that I would highly recommend you avoid using. The reason for avoiding that one is because you'll only have the account for about a week and then it'll get closed down, and you can actually use that bookmaker to make lots of profit in other strategies. Before we get into it though, I'll just quickly mention the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group. The link will be down below as usual for you to get joined up if you're not already. And yes, it is a match betting group, but you're very, very welcome to post any questions about each way no lay or each way value betting on that group. It's not a problem at all. And if you have any questions directly for me, I do a live stream here on the channel most Monday evenings at 7 PM UK time. But having said that, getting on the laptop here, this is the software then. So before I go through these top 7 bookies that you should use on this, just wanted to kind of go through, okay, who should be using this software? Who's it good for? And this isn't a recommendation that you should be using it and you have to use it to make money with smart betting strategies, but it is definitely an option if it suits your kind of approach to smart betting, basically. So what you would want to do if you have a lot of gubbed accounts, so maybe you've been match betting or you've been value betting using maybe the Rebel betting software, when you've got those gubbed accounts, you can then actually use this auto software because you only require very, very low each way stakes to make a nice profit from this. So you only need to be putting £1, £2 each way, and you'll still clear a few £100 of profit each month when using this software. Now, another type of person that this software may be good for is someone that started doing match betting with either, Odds Monkey, Outplayed, or maybe Profit Maximizer, whichever software you've used basically to start match betting. If you've gone through all the welcome offers, you've done some reloads, and then you just really can't be bothered with doing match betting anymore, this is a great software for you to use actually on ungubbed accounts and fully unrestricted accounts, because you can just set the software running and not do any additional work. So a lot of people, they start match betting, they do the welcome offers, the reloads, and then they just quit match betting altogether. Well, you have all those accounts there that are unrestricted still. You might as well be using this software to pull the maximum amount of profit out of them. But now I know who this software could be good for. Let's go through the top 7 bookmakers that this software is absolutely perfect for. So at number 7, so this makes the top 7, we have Unibet. They're a great bookmaker for this. At number 6, you would want to have Betfred logged in. Then down at number 5, you got BetVictor. And then at number 4, Coral. Third is Ladbrokes, and then second being Skybet. And then the very best, most profitable account for this is actually Bet365 at the number 1 spot. Now, before I reveal the one bookmaker that you should not use with this software, we'll go ahead and look at a member's results. And actually, before we do that, I'll just mention this software has to be run on a Windows PC. It will not work on an Apple computer, just so you're aware of that in case you were maybe thinking of getting started with an Apple. But I'll leave a link down in the description actually for a cheap computer which you could buy and start using this. I think they're around £180. It's a bit of an investment to get you going with it, but over the long term it will be a very good investment. But if we check out this member's results here, and thank you to this member for posting this in the Profit Boss members Discord group, but you have the May results here. So you can see there's £5 made of profit on the 1st of May. Okay, not a huge profit day. But then on the 2nd of May, we got £31 profit. The 3rd of May, £175. 4th of May, 146. And then we have a day, so the 5th of May, minus 54, followed by a day of £157 profit. Not every single day is mega profit, and there are some losing days. But because you're placing these bets with the odds in your favor, or rather the software is placing the bets with the odds in your favor, overall, over many bets, you'll find that you'll be in a nice profit using the software. Now, the one bookmaker you should definitely not use for this software, due to it getting banned within a week, is William Hill. So use lots of other strategies you can do, including extra places that you can use your William Hill account for. Now, the YouTube algorithms actually worked out that you may be interested in watching either this video or that video to the side of me. So please check those out if you're interested. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.